Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a review of the Derma Vitamin E cream that I've been using. As promised, I thought it's time that I do a review because it's now almost the end of 2 months since I've been using the product and I have almost hit pan. As some of you have seen in some of my older videos, you would have seen me use this and this is exactly the product I am talking about. It's Derma Vitamin E cream. It says 12,000 UI, and if some of you do not know what that is, it basically is a unit of measurement that is used when quantifying fat soluble vitamins, hormones, or any other biologicals. So that is what the product packing looks like. I'm also going to start off by just reading some of the basic instructions and descriptions that's on the packaging. So the very first thing that has caught my eye is that it is cruelty free, which means it's not tested on animals, which is a great thing. The second thing is that it is 100% vegan, which means it's all plant-based or plant-derived. And the third important thing that I can see here is that they've actually taken the effort of saying that there is no soy content in it, and I think that's great because there are some people who are allergic, so this kind of gives you a good idea of what's in there, and especially if you have allergies, that is something that you might want to consider. Now, this is something I've always wanted to mention, but I don't think I ever have. Any skincare or makeup items or makeup products that you use, be it in the form of creams or lotions or serums or foundations or whatever, always test the product to see if it works for your skin. Now, the best place to test the product is either behind your ears, like the skin behind your ears, or you can even test it on your wrist. So this is something I would recommend everybody do, because this way we can make sure that the product actually does not cause any allergies before we use it. So now that that's out there, that's great. Now I'm going to read the description of the product. It says Vitamin E 12,000 IU cream is specifically formulated to moisturize and soothe extra dry, severely chapped skin. Quickly absorbs to help replenish lost moisture. Vitamin E is a natural moisturizer and antioxidant. To start with, just based off that description, I would have to say that this is an amazing moisturizer for dry to very dry skin. I have especially dry skin around my mouth and on my cheeks, and some days it's so dry that when I apply any kind of makeup, that if I do apply makeup or if I apply a powder or whatever, it literally sticks out because my skin is so dry over those areas, and this cream has actually helped me with that issue. Some days my skin is just downright flaky, and that's also because we are in the middle of winter. Now, having said that, if you have oily skin or combination skin, then this may not be the right product for you, especially if you have 100% oily skin. If you have combination skin and you have dry patches on your face, then this cream can be used for those dry areas. Another thing I would have to say is that it did leave my skin feeling not just well moisturized but also very soft and supple and smooth. Because of the dry skin that I have on my face, often my skin can feel rough, especially on certain days, but this cream has actually made my skin soft and smooth and supple when I wear the cream at nights. Morning I wake up to a still well moisturized face and a very soft skin, so I really love that part of this cream, and I will be definitely buying another bottle. Another thing I would like to say is that it is 113 grams, which is approximately 4 ounces. I have been using it both morning and night, and it has lasted me for 2 whole months. So that will give you a good idea of how well this product lasts in terms of its use. And I think this is a very important factor because it's important to know how long the product will actually last you once you've purchased it, and that comes to our next question of price. Now, talking about pricing, first I will have to go about the availability of it. Dermae has its own website. They are a US based company, and obviously shipping may not be available to all locations, so you might want to go and check out if they do ship to your location or to your country. Now, the second place that you can actually access this product is from a pharmacy. I personally purchase these products from a pharmacy. If you're looking at US dollars, it's $14.95 as listed on their website. Now, back in India, if you wanted to try out this product, it is available on Amazon India, and over there the product is listed at 2,700 rupees approximately. So this will give you a good idea of how long it's going to last and how much you pay for it. Now, the next important thing I would really like to specify and highlight is this, guys. If you are going to start a skincare, if you are looking for a good product for your skin that will work for your skin, we need to make sure that it is something that we can afford, and that's something I personally look when I look at skincare. Back in the day, I used to buy expensive products and use it, but then when it comes to sustainability, like whether I can actually sustain that product in my skincare, it was a huge question mark. So I always look for products that I know I can sustain, and what's most important when using products is that you need to find out what works for you and you need to stick to it. Now, personally for me, I like to try products because I like to do reviews of products, and I enjoy the process. But if you have very sensitive skin, or you're a person who's not too much into experimenting stuff, and if you found a product that works for your skin, then stick to that product. And also you need to make sure the product is sustainable in terms of your money spent. It's a vitamin E product that in itself says that it moisturizes well, and the second thing is it's an amazing antioxidant, and it works very well with vitamin C because the combination of the two really helps hyperpigmentation, and I have personally seen the difference. And the second thing is, since it moisturizes your skin so well, your skin is less prone to forming scars or fine lines or wrinkles. And I think the most important thing is that the skincare is pretty basic, and I like it. I've been loving simple stuff because I feel like the more we slather on our skin, the more complicated it gets and the more tend or prone to breakouts. So that's pretty much it today, guys, for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you don't like the video, please feel free to hit the dislike button. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave it down below in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.